It's very hard to say without having any access to them. Over 100,000 have been deemed committee confidential, which means other senators off the committee and the public at large don't currently have access to those to see why they might be withheld. And then, hundreds of thousands more documents are simply just not being provided, period, because the committee chair refused to request them. And then, the document dump that happened last night with with nearly 45,000 documents that, Democratic senators were, I guess, just supposed to magically be able to review before the hearing started this morning. So this is unprecedented. Even the head of the National Archives said that we are in unprecedented territory with the way that Republicans have put this hearing together without the documents in place for the people to review.
I know I'm putting you in a difficult situation because you've just said that we don't actually have access to that information. But in 2001, Kavanaugh joined the President George W. Bush's White House legal team. And of course, post 9/11, a lot of decisions were made relating to the war on terror. I mean, could it be that some decisions, we don't know what Kavanaugh's role exactly was there, but do you think that that could be one of the reasons why these documents aren't released?
Yeah, that's absolutely possible. We know that during Kavanaugh's hearing for the D.C. Circuit Court, that he said that he had no involvement whatsoever in anything relating to decisions around torture and illegal confinement. And it was later revealed that actually Kavanaugh was brought into at least one meeting where he did make some suggestions and some statements to the president about what he thought might happen if they were to go ahead with those policies, which they did go ahead with. So Senator Durbin has said that Kavanaugh simply lied to the committee back then. And I wonder, and I think others wonder, whether or not there are documents from that time period that show that he had more involvement in those decisions and many more controversial decisions that took place at the time that he hasn't revealed and that the public should have access to.